Hello! About a year ago, I went to go visit my sister because she was graduating from college when we were there visiting. I accidentally put one set of my glasses on the floor and then I kneeled on it in the morning. And I didn't break them, but I had a separation right here. So the lens wasn't being held. And we tried to replace the screw, but that only worked for a little while. And then with these glasses, there are scratches right here. And I don't know if somebody, if I put them down, and this is not something that I normally ever do, if I put them down on the lens, and then somebody just kind of rubbed them around, I don't know, something happened. So today, I am going to look at Zenni Optical. I am going to be kind of just looking at some options. I know what I've had before off of Zenni Optical. I know what I'm getting for the money, and I just need some glasses. I just need some glasses that aren't scratched. Whatever, it's not a big deal. So today on the 22nd of January, Pantone already told their color a while ago. It is called Living Coral. It's this very pretty, vibrant coral color that I am now just literally seeing everywhere because Pantone. It's the Pantone color of the year. So sure, I'll look at those. And this is actually a really old account. I made it a couple of years ago, or I updated it a couple of years ago, something like that. Yeah, it was more updating a couple of years ago. I didn't get my eyes checked for like 5 years because I was, you know, homeless or divorced or whatever. Let's just say pathetic. I was pathetic. Okay, so we've got our Pantone color of the year. And first of all, oh, that's cute. Okay, I cannot pull off frames this small. Oh, I could kind of go for this tortoiseshell look. I'm not seeing anything I love though. I generally go for men's glasses because I have a really big face. And so I will just save you all. And then let's pick some colors. Let's pick blue, gray, wood texture, sure. I used to have a pair of white glasses and they didn't suit me very well. I never wore them. I don't really like going for black. I know the pair that I have right now, the ones that are broken on the side, I know that they're black. Those I picked out in the shop right after I tried them on. And I really liked them. My husband really liked them. So let's do purple. Sure, let's even do brown. Heck. Red. Pink. Cool, okay, so let's look at shapes. We've got rectangle, which is what I have. I have square. I have round. Come back. I don't know if I'd want to do round again unless I can look like Harry Potter, and then I'm getting that one. Oh, let's do an aviator one too. I used to have kind of an aviator shape. Size. I usually have to go for the large. And, ooh, features. Fancy. Not good. And let's just sort by, like, prices low to high. Because I feel like, in general, that's what a lot of people are just kind of looking for. This looks like something that my brother would wear. He digs the wireframes. I mean, I kind of like these. I like these too. What do they look like in red? Oh, they're kind of a burgundy color. Okay. Sweet, sweet. Okay, tortoiseshell. White, black. Oh, cool. With the rims down at the bottom. Let's check out that burgundy one again. Okay, let's add that to my favorites. Is this wood grain texture? Is this a zebra? No, not even close. Okay, I kind of like that one too. Okay. Wow, I don't know if I can pull that off. Oh, that green one though. That green one's cool. Yeah, I'm definitely adding that green one. I like this shape. Blue, okay. That one's a lot more square than the other one. Show more. Sure, show more. It's interesting because a lot of men generally go for the more square, rectangular looks. But what I'm trying to get into as well is I want something that's my my style, and I would like to put out a little more professionalism than I have right now, as I'm wearing, you know, leggings and a workout top. Whatever. I like these, but those are pretty dang close to what I have on, so I'm gonna keep going for something different. Oh, this is also a cool wood grain. I don't know if I'd like that one though. Okay. I am just seeing a lot of squares. Show more. Marty. Kind of like those. Okay, that's what we have right now. Okay, so let's go to the women's one. Women glasses. Let's do color. Let's do blue, brown, cream, green, pink, red. We found some cool red ones. Wood texture, gray, whatever. All of the colors. Let's go for square, brow line. Let's do those ones. I used to have a pair of cat eye sunglasses. They were like mint green, and they came out and they were so cool. What custom engraving? That sounds really fancy. Okay, and let's just do the same thing. Price is a little high. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I am seeing a lot of kind of the same stuff. Oh, I chose brow line this time, that's why. I kind of like these. Not enough to add them to the favorites. See, this is why I feel like men's glasses just have a better look for my face, because I'm not seeing that many options in the style or the colors that I think would look good on me. Still like those sunglasses. Okay, so let me, oh, I have 4 saved. I have 4 saved? I thought I only saved 3. Oh no, they're right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's try this one on. This was that green, large. I was gonna say sometimes they have people wearing them. Oh, she's got the same name as me. What's up, girl? Yeah. So those kind of look like the glasses that I used to have. But let's try them on. Let's see what kind of sad old. Oh, that photo is so sad. out of those four, I would like to see your best opinion on what you think looks the best with my face shape. I love hearing people's opinions about what looks good on another person in a nice and I mean, like, just generally nice way when you're telling someone, this looks good or this doesn't look good because of this and because of your face shape, and you've got, you know, a slightly rounded but mostly rectangular face shape. So yeah, I'd like to hear that. And I will also be putting this up on my Instagram at Laura Cheshire, and you know, you can go vote over there too. So thanks so much for watching. This has been my journey so far, and we will see what happens later and what you guys think looks the best on me. So bye!